Hi, my name is Rahul. We are manufacturer of the world-class grease and oil fuel equipment. I would like to introduce a remarkable piece of technology that has revolutionized by the LMW machine, and I will talking about the feature of the LMW turning machine uh, and how they enhance the productivity, efficiency, and enhance precision in the machining operation. So LMW machine providing high accuracy and precision that help us to maintain the world class quality in the competitive environment. So the LMW machine are equipped with the advanced control system that ensure that every cut and every operation with the utmost accuracy. The precision is critical in the industry where the smallest deviation can lead the product failure. So advanced control system LMW provides, they are making the machine with ease of operator, ease to programming, ease to understanding. So very complex shape or design operator allow to execute the intricate design shapes also on the LMW CNC machine. And LMW has robust build quality. Uh, they are built to last. They feature a robust and rigid construction which minimize the vibration during the operation. The stability is crucial for maintaining accuracy over the long production run because every industry suffer a variation or vibration due to the machine deterioration. So when they are running the high production volume in a single day and 24 into 7 days to meet the customer demand. So LMW provide such kind of feature. You can run the machine on high accuracy, high parameter, and you can optimize the process parameter also on the CNC machine LMW make